Hari Om, my dear children. Today we are going to talk about abstraction. Okay. Abstraction means hiding or removing the irrelevant records. Only handle the essential features. Okay. For example, to ride a bicycle, we need to understand the functioning of the pedal, handlebar, brakes and bell. Some more features are there in a bicycle. A lot of details are there, but the details are irrelevant for the purpose of riding a cycle. Okay, if you ride a cycle, the functioning of the pedal, handlebar, brakes and bell is the most important features. Others are irrelevant details. So, the details are hiding. That is called as abstraction. Okay. In our daily life, we use abstraction when to handle the complexity. It is the most effective mental tool for managing the complexity. If you do not abstract a problem, we deal with unnecessary details and complicate the solution. The one more example for abstraction is map. It need only needed things. Not represent every detail on the ground. So the map maker picks out the details that we need to know. How to reach that particular location. That only gives in the map. Okay. For example, a road map is designed for drivers. So here do not usually worry about hills. For example, if you go to your house, we should follow a different ways. But in general map, given the only essential features, that is straight path. Okay, not a one-way street, shortcut road. These are all not defined in this map. Okay, the one more example is in medicine, the different fields are there in medicine. For example, the orthopedician works with the abstraction of skeletal system only. He doesn't know about the digestive system or muscular system. A physiotherapist abstracts the human body by its muscular system. He don't know about the skeletal system or some other field. Okay, this is the abstraction. The next concept is state. It is the basic and important abstraction. That is, the state is the fundamental of abstraction. In the computational process, have some state. In this process, starting point is called as initial state. That is the input, and then actions are performed. Its state changes. These actions are called as executable statements, execution process, and it ends with a final state, that is output process. Okay. The example for state is, it is one chocolate bars are divided into number of squares by either horizontal and vertical rows. We have the whole of the bar as a single piece, and then the cut is made by a piece and breaking it along one of its grooves. A cut divides a pieces into two pieces. Okay, here how many cuts are needed to break the bar into its individual squares? This is the given question. Okay, the essential variable is number of pieces and number of cuts. These are all the essential variables. Pieces refers to P and C refers to cuts. Here P and C are the two variables. So the state of the process is abstracted by two variables P and C. Here irrelevant details are, the problem could be cutting a chocolate bar into individual pieces or cutting a sheet of postage stamps. Here correct measurement is not given. That is the irrelevant details. Okay. if we cut the pieces, we cannot reconstruct the size of the individual pieces. But that is irrelevant to solving the problem. Okay. For example, for status, goat, grass and wolf problem. In this problem, we write the specification. Okay. In this problem, here L refers to left, or refers to right side. Okay. In the initial state, all four variables, that is farmer, goat, grass, wolf, have the value L. So here in the left side, these four variables are there first in the initial state, and in the final state, all the four variables are goes to right side. So that is the output. Okay. So the specification of the problem is algorithm name. This is the algorithm name, that is Cross River is the algorithm name. The input is farmer, goat, grass, wolf equal to L, 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 L. Farmer, goat, grass, wolf. Four variables are there, so 4L is given. Output is farmer, goat, grass, wolf equal to R, R. That is right side. Okay. The condition is the goat cannot be left alone with the grass. This is the condition. Okay. So, if goat equal to grass, then farmer equal to goat. And also one more condition is there. The goat cannot be left alone with the wolf also. So, the condition is if goat equal to wolf, then farmer equal to goat. This is the condition. Okay. Next one is assignment statement.